Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Hello, welcome to the daily Forex video research from the ForexPeaceArmy.com. Today we'll continue to talk about the euro currency. And we'll start from the daily time frame. There are no much changes currently on this daily time frame. Although market in the beginning of yesterday's trading session has shown some up move, but it couldn't take out the previous highs at this point. This is 138.56. Market has reached only 138.54. This is the futures quartz. On the spot market it's a bit different, but the price action is the same. So market didn't take out these highs and turns to some retracement to the downside. Well, what do we see currently? First of all, the daily trend is still bullish based on the MACD predictor indicator. It will remain bullish until 137 or 8 for today trading session, and my view on the market from the daily trader's perspective is still the same. I think that this area could be used for the possible enter on the long side of the market, because this is 3/8 support from this swing up. Fibonacci support 136.90, 137 precisely is weekly pivot point, 136.94 is monthly pivot point. So this is really strong area. Also, this is the break-even of the trend shifting to the bearish side. So I think that if market even will not continue move to the upside, it should bounce from this area after the first touch. It will allow you to move the stops to the break-even. If market, for example, then break it to the downside, shift trend to the bearish, and our position will be wrong. So that's why I like the strong area of supports, because it gives us the chances to exit from the wrong trade without any significant loss or without any loss at all. So my daily recommendation for the day traders who trade only on the daily time frame and high time frames: wait until market will reach 137 area, then look for some buy signals on the intraday charts, on the hourly chart, on the 4-hour chart, and enter on the long side of the market. The target of this possible move will be from this A, B, C bottom pattern, 140.33 area. This is 618 expansion from this swing to the upside. Okay, but just above the market, 138.78 stands the target of this butterfly buy pattern. Okay, stands 138.78 just above these highs. Also, I will want to remind you that this is also weekly pivot resistance one. So be aware of the possible washing rings. So if market, for example, reach this area and continue move to the upside, will show some taking out of these highs, trigger the stops, and then fast return back, then you should close your position, long position, immediately. Well, you can hold the position only if market will break this area and will stand above these highs. This gives us the chance that market maybe will reach 140.33 area. But if it will be washing rings, exit from the long positions. So that's my view on the daily time frame, on daily perspective. That being said, wait for reaching by the market 137 area, enter on the long side. During the possible pullback, some bouncing from this area after the first touch, move your stops to the break-even and just watch the movie. Initial stop could be placed below this area, 135.88, or at least somewhere around 136.30, 136.50, below this area of strong support. Okay, so this is the view on the daily time frame. Now let's shift to the 4-hour chart. As you can see, 4-hour trend is bearish. By the way, if you have taken this bearish divergence yesterday in this area where we start our conversation, then possibly you will be hidden by the market by this price action. So although market can take out these highs in the initial of the yesterday's trading session, market has shown some move to the upside. But currently, for our trend turns bearish. So if you're intraday trader, you have no context for the buying currently, because our trend is bearish, for our trend is bearish. There is no bullish directional patterns that could allow you to enter on the long side. So currently, this is the bearish scenario for intraday charts. Okay, now you can see that this is butterfly buy forming, although it's not very pretty due to this shallow retracement, about 50% retracement from this swing up. But nevertheless, this is the butterfly, and the 127 target of this butterfly precisely at the area of possible buy area for the day traders. This is target 136.71, this initial target of this possible butterfly buy. You can see that it coincides with the 4-hour confidence support area, weekly pivot point, blue line, monthly pivot point, and market will be oversold on the 4-hour chart. So this is really strong area of support. If you are bearish and trade on the intraday charts on the short side, this is your possible target for the closing the short position. Okay, and for bulls, if you are bullish and you are day trader, wait for reaching of this area. So I think that here we can see some possibilities for entering on the long side of the market. Okay, stops could be placed, by the way, as I said, around 136.30 area, somewhere this area below this 4-hour confidence support. This will be the very bit aggressive stop. The conservative stop should be placed below this level. Okay, so that's been said. A couple of scenarios. First of all, if you're a day trader, wait for reaching of the 136.70 to 137 area of completion of this butterfly buy pattern for possess yourself on the long time of the long side of the market. If you are intraday trader, you have no context for the trading on the long side currently, so you possibly can hold some bearish positions, but be sure that you will exit from them in this area, because this is really strong support, and I expect that market should bounce from this area during after the first touch, when the market initially will reach this area.